Keeping proper documentation helps prevent trademark infringement in several ways. First, it provides proof of ownership, and that alone can deter potential infringers. Also, to the extent you're wanting to enforce your rights, having proper documentation can really make a much stronger cease and desist letter, as the person receiving the letter knows that you in fact are a valid owner. Finally, when you are seeking enforcement actions, having proper documentation can help you have quicker and more effective enforcement outcomes. It's important that you update and maintain your trademark records, and documentation is a big part of that. First, you want to make sure that you keep all of your registrations with the USPTO or other trademark offices up to date, and not having documentation can allow you to miss these registration renewal deadlines or otherwise make you miss some valuable trademark rights. Not having proper documentation could make you more vulnerable to legal challenges. That is, if someone says that you're not using your brand consistently and you have no proof that you are, it's going to be tough for a court to understand that they should maintain your trademark rights. The other guy should not take them away from you. Finally, not having documentation really weakens your credibility with courts, investors, and partners. If you want to make sure that people respect your trademark rights, you yourself should respect them by keeping proper documentation. Having proper documentation can boost the brand value, and especially in the eyes of investors and partners and other people you might want to invest in your business. This will enable licensing, franchising, and entering new markets with confidence. Having good trademark documentation supports business growth and expansion in a number of ways. First and most importantly, it shows that you're serious about protecting your intellectual property, specifically the rights of your brand. This will boost the brand value in the eyes of many important people, including investors and partners. Finally, it will enable you to license, franchise, and enter new markets with confidence. There are actions you can take right now to strengthen your trademark records. First, review everything you have on file. Make sure there's information that relates to the very beginning of your trademark usage and all the steps along the way, showing updates in your branding and all the different things that you've sold under your different brands over the years. Second, record your current use across all platforms, possibly even selling on Amazon, on your own website, or maybe even through different merchants venues. Make sure that all of these uses are recorded and that people have adequate records to substantiate that use. Finally, you might want to work with a trademark lawyer who's trained to understand exactly what's important, what you should look for, and what you should document. So if the need arises, you're in a good position to enforce your rights. Strong trademark documentation doesn't just protect your brand, it powers your growth. Reach out to Initiating Protection Law Group and let us help you build a stronger, more secure future for your business.